Have you ever wondered how a small boy from Corsica grew to become one of the most influential figures in world history? The journey of Napoleon Bonaparte, a man synonymous with power, ambition, and revolution, is a story that unfolds like an epic novel. Born in 1769 in the Mediterranean island of Corsica, Napoleon was the second of 8 children in his family. His parents, of minor Corsican nobility, managed to secure him a scholarship at a French military school. This was the beginning of his connection with France, a relationship that would shape the course of European history. Striking a balance between his Corsican roots and his French education was a constant struggle for Napoleon. However, he found solace in the world of books, delving into the works of philosophers and military strategists. His intellectual curiosity, combined with his military training, laid the foundation for his future endeavors. The French Revolution, which started in 1789, served as the backdrop for Napoleon's rise to power. His military prowess during the revolution caught the attention of the political leaders, propelling him to the forefront of French politics. In the chaos and uncertainty of the revolution, Napoleon emerged as a beacon of hope and stability. By the year 1804, Napoleon had declared himself Emperor of the French. His reign brought about significant modernizing reforms in law, education, and administration. His ambitious military campaign spread these reforms across Europe, forever changing the continent's political landscape. But Napoleon's reign was not without controversy. His authoritarian rule, coupled with his exploitation of conquered territories, cast a shadow on his legacy. His insatiable thirst for power led to the expansion of his empire, but it also sowed the seeds of his downfall. The Battle of Waterloo in 1815 marked the end of Napoleon's rule. Defeated and dethroned, he was exiled to the remote island of St. Helena. It was here, in isolation, that Napoleon spent the last years of his life, before passing away in 1821. In retrospect, the life of Napoleon Bonaparte was a paradox. On one hand, he was a visionary leader who modernized France and influenced Europe. On the other, he was an authoritarian ruler whose thirst for power led to his downfall. His legacy, therefore, is a complex mix of achievements and controversies. In conclusion, Napoleon Bonaparte, a small boy from Corsica, rose through the ranks to become the Emperor of the French. His life was a testament to his ambition, strategic brilliance, and his indomitable will. Despite his controversial rule, his impact on modern history is undeniable, making him one of the most influential figures in world history.